vlog has taken very sad turn. My YouTube account has been hacked. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to another vlog. Look at me vlogging regularly and it's coming from my heart. So my YouTube account has been hacked. It's good vibes, and especially after Sejals in a Circle, the meet and greet that we did, which was the last vlog, I just feel so inspired and motivated to keep doing this and keep connecting with you guys. So I woke up in the morning. We had 7 a.m. workout class. We have a trainer who comes to take a class for me, my mom and my dad. So हम साथ में बैठ के workout करते हैं. Then I did my meditation. And then I just got ready for today's shoot. I'm obsessed with this makeup and hair look. I think this is my signature look. I've been trying to search for a signature look for a while, but this like soft, easy and feminine I think does it for me, with some hints of cool like my nails. Yeah, it's cool to find my style. Today we're shooting another 1-minute drama episode. This is a Rakhi special episode and we have Bharat who's coming in. Not my Bharat, singer, songwriter and creator Bharat. So the team is just about to come, so let's seize the day. Okay, I started reading this book called The Surrender Experiment. I'm reading on my Kindle. I go back and forth between actual books and Kindle. Like if I don't have a book physically, then I'll download the sample on Kindle. मैं पढ़ूंगी, अगर अच्छी लगे, then I'll just buy the whole book. I used to have such a chindi mindset about buying books, like 200-300 rupees for a book, but it's literally investing in your growth. And it also taught me, like reading all these like spiritual books that I've read about self-development and self-growth, it's actually changed my relationship with money and my relationship with myself and success and people and everything. So I think it's just amazing and so worth it. And I was just having my coffee. Either I have this or I have matcha. I'm such a coffee girl. Like I go to cafes and sit and chill. And I keep thinking that maybe I should start like a matcha brand, you know. And this is definitely something that's on my mind. So yeah, and maybe start a community for creative people, because whenever I go to cafes and sit down and do my creative work, I see lots of like-minded people around me. So yeah, I'm testing that on you so that you guys aren't surprised when I actually do make that happen. Hi! Okay, so I have 2 songs that are in the pipeline right now that I've been writing. One is pretty much done. We recorded it as well. And we actually played, like I played it on my phone, like the demo version for everyone at the Inner Circle event, and everyone loved it. You right? Yeah. You guys figure out like what it's about? So we got a really good response. Other than that, I'm working again with Ramya Pothuri, who I worked with for the last 3-4 songs, and she sent me some ideas, and yesterday I was just sitting and writing lyrics and trying to come up with a melody. I think it's nice what I've come up with. Okay, our shoot has begun. Hi Bharat.
Hello, what's up? The bully is back.
The bully is back. Wait, चल तू मुझे क्या bully करेगा? Last time मेरे को दीदी बुला रहा था, so रक्षाबंधन की वीडियो के लिए, that's why I thought he's a good choice to play.
I'm always a good
Younger
choice.
brother. Sure. इसको हम थोड़ा सा और extend करेंगे. It's moving a little short.
Short,
ना?
exactly. That's what I was feeling.
This vlog has taken very sad turn. My YouTube account has been hacked. Basically what happened is I got an email today in the morning from Canon, okay? And I was thinking ki this is a collab email, so I replied and there was some attachment or something and I downloaded it, and then I thought that कुछ fishy है इसके बारे में, so I looked up that guy on LinkedIn, नहीं मिला, and then I thought कि कुछ अजीब है, then I saw a Reddit thread कि ये scam है, and एक और बंदे का YouTube channel चला गया था. So as we were shooting, वर्षा का basically phone आया and I got to know कि मेरे YouTube channel पे कोई Ripple करके कुछ तो दिख रहा है when you click on it, and instantly I was like fuck, is this that? So तब से I posted stories. They've changed my password less than an hour ago, plus even they've changed my number that's connected to my account. So please someone help me ASAP, because this happened under an hour. Please from YouTube. I posted on even Twitter and I posted threads पे भी करूँगी कि मेरा account hack हो गया, and 2 people from YouTube called me instantly. I think they also heard and I've done the process. अब बस God's plan, you'll see. You know this, like I guess मतलब मैंने विराट कोहली का एक इंटरव्यू देखा था वो जब वो 2 डक से आउट हुआ था एंड ही सेड कि चल ये भी देख लिया.
आपका ये ब्लॉग है YouTube अकाउंट में ही आएगा, so it is getting bad.
Yes.
रिजेक्ट करते हैं ना.
मेरे को अंदर से ना मेरे को हंसने की बिल्कुल चाह ही नहीं है, फिर भी मैं कर रही हूँ कुछ तो.
एक हंसी मत दो अपने.
हाँ नहीं देनी मेरे को यार. Oh my god, you guys, I have been I was up till 2 a.m. last night and Bharat was helping me out. So what's happened so far is actually I just feel so मैं update करने का वो हो नहीं रहा है, but it is a scam for sure and I got a form from YouTube's end. Thankfully they are in touch with me and I had to fill it up with all the details that I could have to give them. I still can't log into my Gmail. They've gotten back and my YouTube channel is still showing that Ripple channel abhi bhi, and they've been live streaming, so it's definitely some type of scam. And Bharat was up with me all night to figure this out and I woke up at 7:30 in panic again just to see another email. Then I responded and let's just wait it out. I'm sure something good has to come from this. I had a bath. I came downstairs. Usually if something shit would have happened to me before, I would have punished myself till it got sorted and been in stress. But I was like, no, main nahaungi. I'm gonna feel good. I'm gonna come down. My entire like self-work meditation stuff I feel like has really helped me, because even Bharat was telling me when I lost my phone, I was a completely different person 2 years ago and this time I'm much better. That I'm just like जो भी होगा अच्छे के लिए होगा, you know. God makes everything happens for a reason, the universe, and we'll see. Yeah, जो भी होगा अच्छे के लिए होगा. Dude, मतलब कर रही हूँ मैं. Face mask लग चुका है and now I'm reading. It's crazy how it talks about surrendering to the flow of life, and I started it a day before yesterday and this happened yesterday. The day is continuing. मैं vlog कर रही हूँ. Meet Dhruv.
Hello.
We're basically shooting a brand video today. Shooting a video for Maybelline. Even though all of this stuff is happening, but the day still goes on and the work still goes on. I'm checking my emails beach mein. I'm getting responses and replying. So hopefully things get better. Guys, I got my Google account reset link. Let's just do this first and then come on. I wish Bharat was here so I could call him. Okay. Goodness. So they basically made all of my videos private and added their own fucking logo and their name, and I have to make all of these. Bhai sahab. Say hi to the guy who has saved this account sitting in the US. अगर ये नहीं होता ना तो भाई मतलब लग जाती मेरी. वैसे भी लग गई. रिपल वालों ने मेरी लगा दी. Genuinely. I'm back now, bitches.
तेरा नाम रिपल है कि नहीं?
Fucking back. भाई अभी नहीं, नेम उन लोगों ने अभी चेंज नहीं किया था. But I'm changing like small tiny things, you know.
अब से देखो सेजल रिपल का वहाँ पे आना चाहिए. But also I didn't do anything, bro. मैंने तो literally कुछ भी नहीं करा.
नहीं
By the
भाई,
way.
मैं सारा गूगल किया. बस तुम्हें तो बैठा हुआ था बहुत टाइम तक. I just went down for a walk, and as I was walking, it started raining, and I just, instead of, my instinct was like, चल भाग के वापस जाते हैं, and then I was like, for what? Let's just get wet. And I got wet in the rain, and it was the best thing ever. It was just me and like 7 other small little kids who were playing in the rain. वैसे वो गाना ना चक धूम धूम चक धूम धूम मैं वो कर रही थी, और a lady also asked me, are you okay? And I was like, I'm having fun. Guys, I'm making all my videos public एक करके. It's the next day in the morning. Say hi to Bharat again. हालत ख़राब, and I have to go to Mumbai today. I have to leave for the airport in like 30 minutes, but मैं सुबह ये कर रही हूँ because emails आई थी. So I am in Mumbai again. This is the next day, and It's like so many things are happening, but I'm so proud of myself for taking everything in my stride and still finishing all my work and not letting this whole Ripple incident get to me. Update on that. So I got an email from YouTube. My channel is back. They confirmed that it was indeed hacked and they changed it back to everything. Now मैं एक एक करके अपनी सारी videos public कर रही हूँ. And dude, in one day I got it back, but this last few days was just like insane. Now I'm in Mumbai for only a day. These one-day trips are pretty crazy. It's happening so often, but I'm really grateful. I am here for like just a few hours. I'm here for a music meta event, and I'm heading back at night. So I'm here. I'm gonna go meet Varsha, who is our brand manager on our team, and we're just gonna have a coffee together before I head to the event, and we'll catch up. This is Varsha. Hello, hi.
Especially for music artists, how reels can.
Alright guys, that's it for the vlog. This was an insane experience, but I think I grew mentally from this whole thing. If you guys enjoyed or if this helped you out, please like and subscribe and comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.